Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Whiteboard Markers is probably one of the most versatile tools for young learners. They transform any surface into a canvas for creativity, making learning interactive and fun. From practicing letters and numbers to drawing imaginative worlds, these markers encourage self-expression and collaborative play. In this video, we'll explore the best options to help you choose the perfect set for your child. Number 5. Crayola Take Note Dry Erase Markers, 12 CT. Introducing the Crayola Take Note Dry Erase Markers. This pack includes 12 vibrant markers, perfect for any classroom or office. They are a must-have for teachers and students alike. These markers are essential teacher supplies. They are great for various settings, from kindergarten to art rooms. Stock up on these and other Crayola essentials. Designed specifically for whiteboards, these markers offer smooth writing and easy erasing. They are perfect for classrooms, offices, and even home use. You'll find them incredibly versatile. Never run out of ink unexpectedly with the handy ink level display. It's located on the side of the barrel. This feature ensures you're always prepared. The chisel tips allow for both thick and thin lines. This versatility makes them ideal for various writing and drawing tasks. The markers provide flexibility in your work. These markers dry quickly to prevent smudging. This feature makes them perfect for busy teachers and students. They are designed for efficiency. Cleanup is a breeze. These markers wipe off easily from whiteboards with a dry cloth or eraser. It saves you time and effort. What we like. This marker has an ink level indicator, so you'll always know when it's time to restock. The chisel tip allows for both thick and thin lines, perfect for detailed work. If you're a teacher who needs a reliable marker that dries quickly and is easy to clean, this is a great choice. What people say. These Crayola markers are so smooth when writing and the colors are incredibly vibrant, perfect for capturing students' attention. They erase cleanly and have low odor, which is a huge plus in a classroom setting. The colors are very vibrant and easily seen by my students. They write very smoothly and erase completely. Number 4. JR.WHITE 12 Colors Magnetic Dry Erase Markers. These fine tip markers come in 12 bright colors, perfect for any whiteboard. The vivid colors are easily visible, even from a distance, making them ideal for classrooms or office use. The markers are water-based, non-toxic, and low odor, ensuring they're safe for kids. Each marker has a built-in eraser and a strong magnet for easy storage on your fridge or whiteboard. These markers are designed for smooth writing on non-porous surfaces. They work great on whiteboards, porcelain, and more, providing a clean and clear writing experience. Use these markers on metal, mugs, glass boards, and more. They're a great tool for classrooms, lessons, and home use, offering versatility for all your needs. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you're not happy with the markers, contact us for a replacement or refund. Add it to your cart today and enjoy the quality. What we like. This marker comes in 12 bright colors, perfect for color coding and making your notes pop. It's also safe and low odor, making it ideal for kids. If you're looking for a marker that's both fun and functional, you should consider this one. What people say. Most of these colors are really visible. They also erase really well without leaving a color residue behind. The thin tip is the perfect size for visibility and multiple things being written in a relatively small area. Number 3. Maxtek 12 Count Magnetic Dry Erase Markers. These Maxtek markers are certified non-toxic, meeting safety standards for both kids and adults. The low-odor ink ensures a pleasant writing experience. Each marker features a reinforced magnetic cap, allowing it to stick securely to any metal or magnetic surface. You don't have to worry about them falling off. The fine tip allows for clear and detailed writing, perfect for calendars and whiteboards. The small eraser on the cap is convenient for quick corrections. This set includes 12 bold colors, ideal for highlighting and color coding. They will make your notes stand out. These markers use high-quality German ink for vibrant, long-lasting color. The ink dries quickly and wipes away easily. These magnetic dry erase markers are perfect for any magnetic whiteboard, such as a fridge whiteboard. They are a great tool for home or office. What we like. This marker features reinforced magnetic caps, so you can easily stick it to your whiteboard or fridge. The fine point is great for detailed writing, and the 12 vibrant colors allow for highlighting. If you like having your markers within easy reach and want a variety of colors, this is the one for you. What people say. The tips are fine and can write in small spaces. The eraser stays in very well. The magnet is strong enough to hold the marker on the whiteboard. Number 2. Mr. Pen Dry Erase Markers 12-pack Assorted Colors. Introducing Mr. Pen Dry Erase Markers. This pack comes with 12 markers in assorted colors. They are perfect for any whiteboard. The fine point of these markers allows for precise highlighting and detailed work. It's great for writing and drawing with accuracy. The pen design ensures comfort and efficiency during use. You can write for hours without any discomfort. These markers are designed for use on various surfaces. You can use them on whiteboards, glass, and other non-porous surfaces. These markers erase easily from any dry erase surface. You don't have to worry about stains or residue. What we like. This marker has a fine point for precise highlighting and a comfortable design for extended use. It's also designed to be easily cleaned from any dry erase surface. If you are looking for a marker that is comfortable to use and easy to clean, you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect sized. Accurate colors. They come in a resealable plastic pouch and they fit perfectly where they won't slide around. Write very fast. They are very smooth and easy to work and write with. The colors are much more bold and opaque. They wrote very well and they cleaned up very easy. None of them were dry. Number 1. Trandpter 30-pack Fine Tip Dry Erase Markers. This set includes 30 dry erase markers in 13 assorted colors. It comes with multiple of the most commonly used colors, ensuring you have the right color for any task. They are perfect for both kids and adults. These markers are made with a special low-odor formula. They are completely safe for both children and adults, meeting all necessary safety regulations. You can use them with confidence. The ink dries quickly and doesn't leave streaks. It erases easily with a cloth or eraser, leaving no ghosting behind. This makes it ideal for frequent use. The fine point tip allows for thin, detailed lines. The ink provides clear, bright images, making it easy to see from a distance. It's great for detailed work. These markers work well on most non-porous surfaces. This makes them ideal for use in offices, schools, classrooms, and at home. You can use it on many different surfaces. We care about our customers and want you to have a great experience. If you have any issues with the product, please contact us, and we will make it right. What we like. This marker comes in a great value pack with 30 markers and 13 assorted colors. The ink is quick drying and streak-free, and it's safe for both kids and adults. If you have a classroom or need a lot of markers, this is a great option. What people say. My toddler is able to use them easily. So many colors and the tips are great, not too small. Writes well and accurately due to fine point tip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.